Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how can you repost someone threads in a threads Instagram apps. So it's super simple. You can open the threads apps and just looking for the thread that you want to repost. Okay, for example, right, yeah, just click on three dot. Sorry, sorry, and under the thread you can find the love icon and comment icon, and yeah, this is a repost icon and this is a share. So if you want to repost, just click repost icon and select repost. So reposted, you can see for the report for the reposted in your profile. Here we go. This you can unrepost. Just click three dot. Sorry, just select the repost icon again and select remove. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.